Marsupial Origins by Richard Felly and Brian Davis was presented in 2003 and discusses the questions of when and where in evolutionary history did mammals disperse into the two groups of metatherians, better known as marsupials, and eutherians, commonly called placentals. Marsupials, including kangaroos, bandicoots, and opossums, are most easily distinguished from eutherians by the way their young complete embryonic development while nursing within a maternal pouch called a marsupium. The paper was constructed through the use of paleontological and molecular data including amino acid, multigene, BRCA1 and IGF2 receptor protein sequences analysis. The metatherian family tree was also investigated along with the Syndiphilus saliti, the oldest known metatherian. The authors' results from the molecular data have yielded conflicting timings for the metatherian-eutherian split. Multigene sequence yield an estimate splitting of 173 million years ago, plus or minus 12.5 million years ago, while BRCA and IGF2 receptor protein sequences yield even older estimates of 182 to 190 million years ago. Molecular data results for the monotreme-therian split have also been conflicting, with the BRCA1 and the IGF2 receptor protein sequences yielding an estimate of 236 to 238 million years ago, while amino acid sequence analysis places divergences of therians between 163 and 186 million years ago. Geological records yield few fossils that bear directly on the origin of marsupials. Reports on two early mammals derived from the same Cretaceous geological layer set a paleontological minimum for the split as before 125 million years ago. Living marsupials are restricted to Australia and South America, with metatherian fossils from the late Cretaceous era are exclusively from Eurasia and North America. The basal position of Syndiphilus on the metatherian family tree, along with the other genealogical evidence, proposes their origin as being Eurasia. This proposition may also be supported in that no Cretaceous mammals older than approximately 110 million years has yet been found in North America. The results from this study has established that the split of therians into metatherians and eutherians probably occurred after the beginning of the Cretaceous era and suggests the last common ancestor for them was Eurasian. It is evident that widely differing estimates of divergence time need to be reconciled and that the place of origin of both therians need to be further investigated with fossil discoveries. These divergences estimates have implications for the relative timing of most other divergences on the mammalian family tree, and becomes clear that large gaps in fossil records may explain the distribution of each group represented. Marsupials have attracted widespread attention in both public and biological circles, and with many open questions still to be answered, providing for the future molecular and paleontological studies. Thank you.